We have the management indeed of Indian Bank joining us right now. We have Mr. Shanti Lal Jain, who is the MD and CEO of Indian Bank, joining us right now. A very good morning to you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us on ET now. And let's talk about your numbers. You still comfortable actually maintaining your margin guidance of around 3.41%? That's your NIMS. What sort of a guidance do you have for that particular number for us now?
Yeah, we have given a guidance of 3.41% plus minus 10 to 15 bits. 3.41 was the margin for the FY23. Last quarter, September quarter, we were 3.52. Prior to that, we are 3.62. So average 6 months, we are at 3.57%. So I'm confident that we will be able to protect our guidance of 3.41% plus minus 10-15 bits.
Hi, very good morning, Mr. Jain. This is Shrishti also joining in. Could you tell us when do you expect your cost of deposits peaking out? What's the sense that we are getting from that side?
The cost of deposit has increased with the non-resident cost of deposit. Major part of the deposit has been repriced. Maybe by March and remaining will also be repriced, but major part of will be covered in December quarter. But we see we are 64% of our credit exposure in MCLR, so which will also come for repricing. Our yield on investment is growing, and as a result, we will be able to protect our margins.
Right, so let's talk about your slippages then. And the slippages this time around includes about a 570 crore slippage in a corporate account. Is there any specific account that you can mention in this particular slippage account? And also, is there any concern on that particular front, or is this just one-off?
Actually, this is a one account of Odisha based where the exposure is more than 300 crores. What happened in this particular account, because of the cash flow mismatch, the LC devolvement happens because they are supplying to some discoms and also there is a cash flow mismatch, and as a result, account has slipped. We already signed the ICA and the resolution plan will be completed.
Let me add to that then, sir. Is there any specific concern then around that, or is this one-off like I mentioned earlier?
Not concerned. You see, our SMA 1 and 2 numbers has come down from even in September from the June, and collection efficiency we are maintaining 95%. So this can be seen as one-off transactions. Otherwise, book is good, and SMA numbers are maintaining same efficiency collection.
If you can see your recoveries, then the recoveries were around 8,000 crores. Just wanted to get a sense from you. Do you believe that this number is comfortable enough to meet your guidance, and will you be able to knock off the slippages against these recoveries?
So, but at the beginning of the year, we said two things. One is that we have a recovery of 8,000 crore, and our recovery will be more than our slippage. First is against 8,000 crore in the first half, we are 4,200 some odd crore. So we are meeting our targets. Second one is against the slippage of 3,700, we are recovery is 4,200 odd. So both these guidance we are working, and as a result, our gross and net has come down substantially.
So can we expect Indian Bank to go ahead and breach the 1% ROA guidance for the full year? When I say full year, I mean FY24.
Last quarter, our ROA was 1.06 and half year it is 1.01. Considering our business growth and the net NPA numbers and all, we are hopeful that that ROA will be more than 1%.
Mr. Jain, given the growth, are you looking to raise some funds going ahead, since you do have a 4,000 crores equity raise mandate? So what are the plans regarding that?
So two things. At the beginning, we started with the capital adequacy of 16.49. Today we are 15.53, but we have not added the profit of the half year. If I add a profit of half year, it is 16.53, which is more than the beginning of the year, which shows that our profitability or our generation is adequate to take care of credit growth. So 12% of credit growth we had, and the capital adequacy is intact. even though our board has approved, our shareholders has approved to raise a capital up to 4,000 crore in the current financial year, and therefore we can approach the market at any time for the current financial year at appropriate time.
Okay, Mr. Jain, thank you so much for joining us today on ET Now.